Have you spent $10,000 recently? If so, chances are you own a Ford 6.7 PowerStroke with a CP4 high-pressure fuel pump. Common on thing that this fuel pump is a piece of actual garbage. I have paid pretty much all of my bills for the last few years from working on issues caused by this pump. They make metal. They just create it and then they put it everywhere else in your system, and it's just not good for a diesel. You just don't want metal in a diesel. You want diesel in a diesel, right? Makes sense. CP4 pump out of a 2016 F250. We pulled this pump out of this truck and ended up swapping it out for a DCR conversion. That's a replacement pump for the CP4 that is offered by S&S. Today, what I want to do is break this CP4 pump open here, and let's see what the inside looks like. I've never busted one of these pumps open. This is the volume control valve that sits in the top of that CP4 pump. You can see usually if this was a bad pump, we would expect to see metal here on our screen. We do not see much metal, so I don't really expect this pump to have a lot of damage. Maybe we'll do a bad one in the future. Honestly, I don't know how to open this thing up. We're just kind of taking bolts out here. I'm guessing this front plate comes out, but I don't exactly know how, huh? All right, don't look like a very good method to getting it out. Yeah, that thing got a little pressure on it, huh? Okay, so the hell is this? Oh, there we go. You see that this piece here is a roller, a lot similar to the surface of a lifter in an engine. It goes down and contacts that cam lobe, that's what I would call it, cam lobe that is attached to this shaft. Let's pull the other side out and see if it'll come apart. Another spring, same thing. Got some O-rings here. Piston down in the hole there. Pull that bad boy up out of there. Whoa! I got it! Yeah, so that pretty much makes sense on exactly what I was talking about with a cam lobe. Spinning this, and as we spin it, we go whoop, and as we shove that up, we build fuel pressure and come out of our outlet here. Maybe in the next video, we will tear apart a bad one and see what actually failed. Maybe I can find one for you guys.